bully coach.
Hey, I'm reloading. Look out now! Watch out! Reloading. Reloading. Smoker! Can you stop shooting me? Nick, do you need to do that?
Excuse me. Don't look at me like that.
Weapons over here. Heads up! I know that was you shooting me. We should head towards them searchlights.
Bro, what is happening? I can't even get close to him.
Reload.
Drag them down. Drag them down the billboard.
Reloading.
Hey, some guns here.
Oh, they changed it. I wasn't like that
Hey,
before.
don't shoot the car.
Reloading.
Alright, on you, Charger. You should go this way. You should charge him this way. Charger, you should charge him this way. Over here, Charge. Charger, come over here and charge him out into this way, and then I can spit.
Reload.
Too late now. You did too late, bro.